Hey Legacy Unit, I just wanted to touch base with you because we have a powerful, fun-packed week ahead of us. And so I just wanted to connect with you a little bit and just make sure that everybody had all the information. And of course, just to touch base with you because I just got all moved into my new house here in Omaha. And so things have been crazy busy. So I just wanted to be able to just show you my face and show you that I love you and I'm thinking about you, and just kind of give you the news and what's going on this week. So Thursday is our Lips and Lashes event here in Omaha at the Marriott. And that is going to be a glamour event. And there'll be some marketing there as well. So if you have some models for that, that'll be a great thing to attend. If you still have models in Lincoln and you want to go to the Lincoln studio instead, then you're welcome to do that because there'll still be some directors there for that too. And then Friday is when career conference gets started. So at 3:30 is the emerging leaders class for red jackets and above. So you will have that. If you're attending that workshop, then you're going to want to get there about, I would say 2:30 to pick up your registration packet because you won't be able to get in without it. And then 7 o'clock is when general session starts. And so then we will get there probably about 6 o'clock to get your registration packets. And then we have reserved seating because we are in the top 3 of unit building at our career conference. And so corporate, our Mr. Mike Strong, who's one of my favorite corporate people, he called and let us know that he's going to reserve seats for us, and that if you did not get a chance to register for career conference, that he's given us the okay for you to be able to come and register at the door. So if you still want to go because you're just now realizing how fabulous your Legacy Unit is and you now want to go because you want to have reserved seating with us, then you'll be able to do that. But just let me know so that I can make sure that I can give Mike a head count of how many seats to reserve for us. Then Friday night, those of you that are going to stay at my house, we're going to have a little slumber party because Friday is also my birthday, and so we might have some little goodies here, something for us to kind of celebrate. So I'm really excited that I get to celebrate with my favorite people in the world. So that will be really fun. And then Sunday or Saturday morning, career conference kicks back off again, and we have our classes and trainings and recognition and all sorts of fun stuff all day long Saturday, and that gets out about 4. And then if you are staying the night with me on Friday, you're going to want to take your stuff with you because we're not going to come back to the house on Saturday. I actually have my Mary Kay bridal shower at the DoubleTree downtown, and so I'm going to be at that right after career conference, and there's like 50 people or so that I hear are attending that. So I have had a crazy busy week just getting ready for all of our fun stuff that we've got going on this weekend. And of course my mom will be in town. She'll be at career conference and my bridal shower, and then she's gonna stay here for our fabulous Alicia and her debut, her director debut with she and her unit on Monday, and that's at the Cornhusker Hotel in Lincoln. And that is going to be a great event for you to attend. 1, because we want to be there to celebrate Alicia and her unit, and 2, because you're going to want to be able to bring any kind of friends or family that you want to come and just be introduced to what our Mary Kay environment is all about. It's going to be great for you to be able to share this with anybody that's maybe thinking about joining your team that you've talked to about in the past, or you want to just share with them really what our community looks like in Mary Kay, because you're going to hear Alicia's inspiring story, and my mom and I will both be speaking, and so that's something that you really don't want to miss out on. That will be $5 at the door for consultants and directors, and then guests of course are free. So you have that on Monday night, and I hope that you saw the flyer that I had sent out that has all the details on it. So I just hope you are having a fabulous week, and I cannot wait to see you all this weekend at Career Conference, and you just have a most amazing day.